Hello everyone, PS from PS Invest Plays here today. After doubling since April 2020, T-Mobile's stock has not done much of anything after its latest earnings report, even though it reported strong net user additions, a beat on revenue and profits, raised its guidance for 2021. Has the stock peaked? Should we expect a pullback? Or maybe sideways movement? Or a higher price in the future? In this video, we will understand its business, its financials, its future outlook, review its charts using Elliot wave theory to see how we can make money. So stick around. I think you'll like what I have in store for you today. T-Mobile, ticker TMUS. T-Mobile is an American wireless network operator. Its largest shareholder is German telecommunications company Deutsche Telekom (DT), which has a 43.2% share in T-Mobile. T-Mobile is the second largest wireless carrier in the United States, with 104.8 million subscribers as of the end of Q2 2021. T-Mobile is leading US telecom competitors in 5G deployment. The rollout of 5G communications may seem overhyped, but it's really a big deal. Not only will lightning fast, low latency wireless communications become a new standard and speed up economic activity, but 5G will also open the door to a host of new killer apps, from virtual reality to highly automated factories and farms, to other ways we may not have even contemplated yet. The build-out of 5G is just beginning in earnest today, with the first 5G iPhone introduced 1 year ago. Yet, because of the difficulty of 5G deployments, the rollout will take a few years, with the benefits kicking in gradually. That's why T-Mobile, which is leading this revolution, will see compounding benefits this decade. Thanks to its 2020 acquisition of Sprint and other smart spectrum investments over the years, Un-carrier T-Mobile has a solid lead in 5G deployment. In fact, 7 recent independent third-party reports clarified that T-Mobile has the superior 5G network, a big contrast from the 4G era when it was a laggard. T-Mobile's stock didn't do much of anything after its latest earnings report. Strong net additions, a beat on revenues and profits, and raised guidance for the year were offset by news that Dish Network will move off T-Mobile's wholesale network for AT&T's. This move will put a near-term hole in T-Mobile's financials to the tune of over $500 million in revenue per year. Yet despite this small setback, CEO Mike Sievert reiterated the company's impressive medium and long-term guidance outlined in its Analyst Day back in March 2021. The loss of Dish will also free up capacity on T-Mobile's network, which the company will turn around and aggressively market to its 3 main growth targets: enterprises, rural areas, and home 5G broadband. Each of those segments represents a tremendous growth opportunity for the company. T-Mobile plans to cover 200 million points of presence, POPs, with its ultra-capacity mid-band 5G spectrum by the end of 2021. A target competitors won't be able to reach until the end of 2023. And T-Mobile will continue to cement its lead with more capacity and 300 million mid-band POPs by that time. as more people get 5G phones and the capabilities of 5G become clearer, it appears T-Mobile will continue to benefit from its lead. Looking at the financials for T-Mobile, they are excellent. Revenue, gross profit, EBITDA, net income, earnings per share, EPS are all excellent for T-Mobile. In the short term, it seems that all the good news is already baked into the stock price and seems to be peaking with some more room to go higher. This is also indicative in the charts where I see the stock price to peak short term, then correct, and finally increase considerably in the next 4 to 6 years. Looking at the charts for T-Mobile, the bull run that started for T-Mobile way back in 2013 has just begun. In fact, it has not even completed its first super cycle wave, which seems to be coming to an end at around $168.79, which means we still have 18% profit to be taken. At this price point, I expect a deeper correction in the stock price, which should take the stock price in the range of $95 and $116. To me, this range would be excellent buy zone. In the long term, which is 4 to 6 years, I expect T-Mobile's stock price to hit $390.44. Now, if you were to buy T-Mobile when this pullback happens and in the range between $95 to $116, you can expect a 234 to 307% profit. Now, this is dependent if the management continues to execute as well as they have done in the past. And I have full confidence that the management is capable of delivering on their promises. Now, let's summarize. You could buy T-Mobile now and exit around $168 to gain 18% profit, or wait for the price correction to happen and then enter, which is a range between $95 or $116. These are excellent buy zones, and if you buy around these price levels, I would recommend you to hold T-Mobile for the next 4 to 6 years. I expect T-Mobile's stock price to reach $390.44, and if you buy in this price range, then you can expect a profit of 234 or 307%. Isn't that amazing? What do you think of this analysis? Please leave me a comment and let me know. As always, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Until then, bye-bye.